keep forgetting to do this and then thinking I want to film me doing this, and so it's the 6th. Oh, that's very pretty. And a lovely glass of champagne as well. Happy Merry Vlogmas! We've come to
it's Vlogmas.
What is it? Compromise. Oh my god, I lost my words.
We came prepared this morning.
We did.
Yeah.
We did. So I've got papas.
Yes.
Oh, your mum's just leaving.
Okay. What number? 7. 7.
Down. Yeah.
Good old Len.
Wrong side. Wrong side. Yes. Oh, it's another white one. What is it? It says on the door.
Eaten mess. Oh, this sounds one of my favourite pastimes.
But after, oh yeah, it didn't focus yesterday. Back a bit, back a bit, back a bit, up a bit.
Don't know, is it? No.
It's white chocolate again, but after the success of yesterday, you're not turning your nose up at it immediately.
Well, white chocolate's just very sweet.
Oh, it's strawberry on the inside.
What, you've got a big
strawberry mousse.
Strawberry mousse on the inside.
Strawberry mousse.
And then meringue on the top, I'm assuming.
Yeah, lovely. Is it good?
Waiting for the eyes to water. Tier 2? Tier 2?
Tier 2.
Oh.
So, I mean, it's quite nice, but
maybe the
not
citrus cut through the sweetness of the white chocolate yesterday. Yeah. Maybe that was what it was.
Yeah.
It's still tier 2.
But I will finish it.
Good. So pleased.
We've got mum's.
Hey, are you strong enough this morning? What are we today?
7.
7.
Oh, you found it. Oh, it's a big one. To the left. Yep, that way. Yep.
Can't see. It's got 2 little holes for opening.
Ooh.
Ho ho ho.
What does it say?
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Okay.
Ho ho ho.
It just says milk.
Oh,
it's a little.
Oh,
it's a little milk chocolate Santa.
Oh, it's
it's many milk chocolate Santas.
1 each. Hey.
Would you like yours now? I made Mum not brush her teeth so she could have her chocolate.
Yes,
now.
I'll have one.
Can I have one?
You may.
Thank you.
Daddy may too.
He's still working on his eating
I'm
mess.
still having this eaten mess.
He's still eating messing.
But it's not improved, the eaten mess.
No.
Oh. I think Santa Claus might be alright. He's milk, but...
I'm trying to bite him in half. I've got no bite.
No, I can't get in. There we are. There we are.
They do
Oh,
good.
it's a nice little Father Christmas.
Yes, they do good
Will
chocolate.
they see him? Look at me now.
You're just biting his head off. It's definitely keeping cool out there, isn't it?
Like milk chocolate. Shouldn't, but I do.
That got to go in that bin. We nearly banged heads together.
No more wars.
No, Mum's in the wars. Mum threw herself out bed this morning.
I'm going to have a very big bruise.
Yeah. It's already coming up. I heard the crash. Like 7:20. What a way to get woken up. It was like, what the hell is going on? You think you got your feet caught in the sheet, didn't you?
I'm sure I did. Because they're quite long.
Yeah. Did you whack yourself on the bedside table?
No, on the door frame, I think.
Yeah.
There, and then the other side there.
You properly bounced out of bed then.
Panadol's working.
That's good. Right, number 7 for me. Yeah, we had to explain that because the bruise is only just is starting to be fairly visible now, so tomorrow's gonna know she's got a black eye. Oh, we've got some findings for the first time, and purple. So we've got some underwire channeling, fold over elastic. I think somebody said this is the decorative edge for the top of a bra, and then rose gold sliders and rings. Again, I'll show you this close up when it's not trying to focus on my face later. So Mum and Dad are going out for an appointment and I'm heading down to the sewing room, and I'm either going to work on shoulder dragons or the beach pajamas, one or the other. I need to get both done. I'm probably going to start with the shoulder dragons because they shouldn't take too long. Yeah, like I said, I don't have the stuffing for them. I need to order that today. I must remember to order that today, but I can get the majority of the dragons done. So yeah, that's the plan. Okay, let's have a close-up look at this where it's not trying to focus on anyone's face. They put it together really well. So it's a little, I can actually undo it. So these are some rings and sliders in rose gold, which I have to say is my favourite. This is going to have to get chopped because that's tied in a very secure knot that I am never going to be able to undo. So yeah, this is the underwire channeling. At least I'm pretty sure it is. Maybe it's not. I think this is underwire channeling, but I'm not 100% sure. We've got fold over elastic. This is kind of like a mauvey colour. Then some decorative edge elastic, which I think somebody said yesterday this one's for like when you do for bras. So yeah, that's a very nice little selection and a different colourway as well, which is nice. So I'll put this into my lingerie box, ready for my attempts next year. And then I'm going to get on with some fluffy shoulder dragons.
2 hours later.
I might be making a monstrosity here, guys. Look at these little things. I mean, what? I've ordered the stuffing, but it's not going to arrive until Wednesday, so they're going to have to wait to be stuffed. So at the moment they're just a little bit sort of deflated looking, but I'm going to put these to the side now and make some bodies for them. I am quite possibly creating monstrosities here, but I have finished the body of my little fire salamander. Yeah, he definitely, well, I don't know if it's a he or a she, to be honest, but I think it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And then obviously it's going to get a head and it's got a little spike on its tail as well, a little fluffy spike. I'm really pleased with how that's come out. A little bit awkward and fiddly in places, but you know, it just one of those things that you just keep working at, and yeah, I think he is awesome. So I am going out for dinner this evening. It's Susan's birthday tomorrow. The books and presents that we were making, one is a Christmas present, and thank you for all your ideas, by the way, and then the other one, the scorecard, is a birthday present for this evening. So Mum's wrapped those all up and I need to go and get myself ready. I'm going to put my hair up. Yeah, go and get myself ready, and then we're heading out to the Royal for dinner, which should be lovely. I haven't been to the Royal in ages. Yeah, I will take you guys along with me because otherwise it's going to be a really short waffle today, isn't it? But I'm really pleased with my little dragon. I think he's come out brilliantly. Definitely going to need one of these for myself. That's definitely going to have to happen. I think he's gorgeous. Right, poor little green one. He hasn't got a belly yet. He's looking a little bit forlorn, but it's going to be, yeah, they're going to be very cute, very cute. Right, okay, yes, I am going to take you guys with me and we're heading out for dinner.
I'll have a little bit of whatever you're having.
We're at the Royal for dinner. Cheese souffle.
I've always wondered.
A night sister for a year.
Chocolate
But I
parfait.
suppose only because, you know.
Very happy birthday to Susan.
I moved here literally a year ago yesterday. Yeah, because I know the Japanese and they've literally just down the road. Oh, okay, so
Very glamorous evening. Well, very glamorous end to the evening, but we are home after dinner at the Royal. I had my 21st birthday and my 40th birthday lunch there, and Susan had decided to take us out for dinner at the Royal. It is also a year to the day that Susan bought her house on the island, and she was staying at the Royal when she did so it's got some very special memories for her as well. So we've had a lovely evening. Oh my goodness, too much food, but such good food, such good food. So it's been lovely. So yes, today has probably been quite a short Vlogmas because there has been a lot of sew along sewing done, and not a lot else. So fingers crossed you have enjoyed what I have filmed today, and I will be back tomorrow with hopefully a little bit more for you. So I shall see you all then. Bye.